how to update any graphics driver in Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So on today's video, we'll be discussing on two ways by which you can update any drivers. For the first option, right-click on your Start button and then go on Device Manager. Once the page is open, you will see different types of options. You have to specifically search for display drivers or adapters. Now right-click on your driver and click on Update Driver. You have two ways, either automatic or you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If you want to check if the driver has been updated or not, you can right-click again on the adapter and then click on Properties. Now on the driver, you can see the driver date. So this was the first way by which you could update the drivers. For the second one, you can follow the link given below on the description box from which you can update or download the updates. This was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.